Imagine you're enjoying a meal only to be hit by a pounding migraine shortly after. It's not just bad luck. Certain foods actually could be the culprits. Identifying these trigger foods is crucial for anyone looking to manage migraine symptoms effectively. From aged cheeses to the finest of wines, what you eat might be fueling those painful migraine episodes. Understanding which foods might be triggering migraines can feel like solving a complex riddle. Various common ingredients are known to set off migraines in sensitive individuals, especially. By learning about these triggers, you can tailor your diet to minimize the occurrence of migraines, leading to better health and, of course, more pain-free days. And who doesn't want more of those? So stay tuned as we dive deep into the foods to watch out for and why they might be causing your discomfort. This knowledge could be the first step towards reclaiming your comfort and enjoying meals with peace of mind. I'm Nick Garcia, holistic nutritionist and certified nutrition health coach with the Health Report. So, common triggers of migraines and headaches in general. When managing migraines, identifying what foods and drinks trigger symptoms is critical. Various common items can increase the frequency and intensity of migraines and headaches. In this video, you'll find a list of triggers that may be affecting your overall daily comfort. Aged cheese. Aged cheeses like blue cheese, cheddar, and Parmesan contain tyramine, a substance that forms as proteins break down over time. If you notice headaches after consuming these cheeses, tyramine could be the culprit. Processed meats. Processed meats such as sausages, bacon, and deli slices often have preservatives like nitrates and nitrites, which can lead to headaches. These substances can actually dilate your blood vessels, exacerbating migraine symptoms. Chocolate. Oh no, sorry. For some, chocolate is a comfort food, but for others, it triggers migraines. Chocolate contains caffeine and beta-phenylalanine, which may affect the brain in many ways that contribute to headaches and migraines. Alcohol, of course, especially red wine and beers. Alcohol can provoke migraines due to histamine content and the ability to increase blood flow to your brain. Note, dehydration, a common issue with alcohol consumption, also can trigger headaches, usually the day after, known as, of course, a hangover. Caffeinated beverages. While a small amount of caffeine can relieve headache symptoms in some, excessive intake can lead to withdrawal symptoms and subsequent headaches. Monitoring your caffeine consumption is key if you're prone to getting migraines, and you can kind of pinpoint that caffeine could be the culprit. Foods containing MSG. Monosodium glutamate, or MSG, is a flavor enhancer found in a lot of processed foods. This can trigger headaches in many individuals. It's often hidden in fast food, prepared snacks, boxed items, that type of stuff, making it critical to always read your nutrient labels very carefully. Understanding these common triggers and how they affect your body allows you to make informed choices about your diet. Adjusting what you eat and drink can be a powerful tool in reducing the occurrence of migraines, headaches, and helping you lead a more comfortable, pain-free life. Let's talk about foods and additives known to trigger migraines and headaches. Understanding specific foods and additives that trigger migraines can help you manage, of course, your dietary choices and monitor them more effectively. Here's a breakdown of some common triggers. Alcohol, again, it makes a list of additives and preservatives. 36 of participants in a recent study reported alcohol as a migraine trigger, with red wine, of course, being the most common. Tannins in wine might affect serotonin release, aggravating headache symptoms. Alcohol, of course, also has dehydrating effects, and its preservatives like sulfites also contribute to migraines. Caffeine makes a list again. Caffeine's role in triggering migraines is very complex. While it is a recognized trigger, it also serves as a relief for some, especially if you're going through caffeine withdrawals. You should consume no more than 200 milligrams of caffeine daily and maintain a consistent intake caffeine schedule. If caffeine triggers your headaches, consider gradually reducing your intake. Aged cheeses, again, contain that tyramine, a compound that forms from protein breakdown during the aging process. Tyramine can cause headaches by narrowing blood vessels in your brain. Cheeses high in tyramine include cheddar, Parmesan, and blue cheese. I know I'm repeating myself a couple of these foods, but there's the food, and then there's additives, preservatives, which I'm going over in this list now. Cured or processed meats, again. Nitrates in processed meats may dilate brain blood vessels, triggering migraines. Foods high in nitrates include bacon and deli meats. Opting for nitrate-free meats will definitely help reduce some migraine occurrences. MSG makes a list again. This one's a really big culprit. It's a flavor enhancer, as I mentioned before. It may trigger headaches in 10 to 15% of migraine sufferers, according to the American Migraine Foundation. To avoid MSG, check food labels and be cautious of natural sources like tomatoes and cheeses. All right, now yellow dye number 5. We haven't heard of this one yet. Yellow dye number 5, or tartrazine, has been linked to headaches. This artificial coloring offers no nutritional benefits, and of course, it's best avoided by checking those food labels thoroughly. Artificial sweeteners. Aspartame, specifically found in many sugar-free products, may trigger headaches. If you suspect sensitivity to aspartame or other sweeteners, consider eliminating them from your diet. Cold or frozen foods. Rapid consumption of cold foods can lead to headaches, commonly known as brain freeze. Enjoy cold foods slowly to prevent sudden temperature changes in your mouth and throat, minimizing the risk of headache. And I think you know if you are prone to these brain freeze type things, but they usually go away pretty quickly. Salty foods. High salt intake can elevate blood pressure, potentially triggering headaches. Reducing consumption of salty processed foods can benefit overall health and possibly decrease migraine frequency. I want to make a quick note here that I'm not referring to any type of sea salt, which actually can help prevent headaches and migraine. Pickled or fermented foods. Similar to aged cheeses, pickled and fermented foods are high in tyramine and could trigger headaches. Consider eliminating these from your diet temporarily if you suspect a sensitivity. Citrus, believe it or not. Some studies have shown mixed results with citrus fruits as migraine triggers. They seem to pose a risk primarily for migraines with aura. Awareness and personal monitoring can help you understand if citrus fruits are problematic for you. So, identifying foods and additives that may cause migraines. Understanding the relationship between what you eat and how you feel can be pivotal in managing migraine symptoms. Certain foods and additives are notorious for triggering migraines, as we've discussed earlier in this video. Identifying food-related triggers involves a logical step-by-step approach. Start by focusing on one specific food or food group. This particular method helps pinpoint exactly which item could be causing those migraines. Avoid removing all potential triggers simultaneously, as it kind of complicates determining the effects of a specific food. Aim for like a 4-week elimination phase for suspected food. I know that's a long time. You could probably cut it down to 2 weeks. And then you want to monitor any changes in the frequency or severity of your headaches during this period. Afterwards, reintroduce the food to see if symptoms worsen. If migraines do not return, the food is likely not a trigger, and you can move on to evaluate another potential trigger. I would start with the worst one on the list: alcohol, MSG, the dyes, that type of stuff. Maintain a detailed food diary throughout this whole process, which will also help if you end up hiring a holistic health coach or holistic nutritionist or just regular dietitian. Food diaries are a game changer whenever you're going through the process working with the coach. So record the foods that you eliminate, the dates of elimination, and any occurrences of migraines, including their intensity. This diary will be crucial in identifying patterns and, of course, triggers. Proceed cautiously, especially with substances that can cause withdrawal symptoms like caffeine. Instead of stopping abruptly, consider kind of a gradually reducing the intake to minimize those withdrawal headaches and symptoms. Lastly, remember to review any supplements, as they may contain additives like dyes and sweeteners, which could be potential migraine triggers. Always check your labels. And of course, I appreciate you watching this video. I hope you learned something today. And if you have any questions about any of the foods listed, just comment below. I would appreciate a like. I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel for more daily tips on how to live a healthier life.